To get started with your ANKR quick flag mount, thoroughly clean the surface you intend to mount. If not properly cleaned, your mount will not correctly attach. Using a wet rag, heavily dampen both the RV surface and suction cups. The more wet these surfaces are, the better the bond. With the levers in the release position, place the ANKR on your clean and wet surface. Press the ANKR firmly against the surface. Secure the ANKR by locking the suction levers. The ANKR quick flag mount is designed to hold a standard 4-foot by 6-foot flag with a 1¼ inch diameter pole. We do not recommend using a flagpole longer than the standard 4-foot length. Always remove the ANKR before traveling or during heavy windstorms. Never hang additional weight on the ANKR or use for any purpose other than displaying a standard flag. Factors such as sudden changes in temperature can impact the ANKR bonding process. Always be aware of what is below your flag mount in case the ANKR loses suction to your intended surface. We hope you enjoy the convenience of the RVLock ANKR quick flag mount.